Hello everyone! How many times have you read a math problem and the words start swimming in your head? In this video, we are going to show you how to break apart math problems. You will learn how to recognize important keywords. Let's look at this problem. Emma has 3 equal groups of 12 green balls each. Sarah has 10 balls less than Emma. How many balls do they have all together? There are many keywords in this problem that tell you exactly how to solve them. Do you see them? These are some of the keywords that can help you solve math problems very easily. But how? Each operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, have keywords associated with it. Let's see which word help us with addition. Sum, join, in all, increase, all together, add, total, plus, combine. Not bad, right? Let's do the same with the rest of the operations. Ready, set, go! Keywords for subtraction. Take away, take, subtract, left, difference, how many more, less, minus, decrease. Keywords for multiplication. Groups of, each, pair, times, multiply, all together, equal groups. Keywords for division. Divide, each, cut up, half, between, share, divide by, how many in each. Have you noticed that some words are listed more than once? Nice eye. Some words can indicate various operations. We will make another video to explain those types of problems. For now, we will keep it simple. Now that we have the keywords, why don't we try the problem again? Emma has 3 equal groups of 12 green balls each. Sarah has 10 balls less than Emma. How many balls do they have all together? Do you see any of the keywords we talk about? Very good. Let's all check each group and see what we find out. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now that we have these keywords, let's solve the problem, one step at a time. Emma has 3 equal groups of 12 green balls each. We see equal groups and each. This is telling us to multiply. 3 times 12 is 36. Now we know that Sarah has 10 less balls than Emma. This is telling us to subtract. 36 minus 10 is 26. Lastly, we need to find how many balls they have all together. This is telling us to add. 36 plus 26 is 62. Okay, let's try another one. Michael has 48 marbles. His mother takes away 13 because he didn't do his homework. Come on, Michael! The day after, Michael invited his 4 friends to play. They share all the marbles equally. How many marbles do they each get to play with? Can you spot any of the keywords we talked about earlier? Let's check together. We have found takes away, share, and each. We know that each can suggest multiplication or division, but since we have share also, we know it will be a division problem. Let's solve this problem again, one step at a time. First, Michael has 48 marbles and his mom takes away 13. This is telling us to subtract 48 minus 13 is 35. Then Michael invites his 4 friends over to play. This is 4 friends plus Michael makes 5 people playing. Pay attention, be careful with that. Don't forget about him. So 5 friends share the marbles. This is telling us to divide. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So each friend plays with 7 marbles. How do you feel about confusing word problems now? Better? That's great. Now, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and turn on the notification. We will try to upload one video every week or every other week. Comment down below if you want us to do a specific video or if you need clarification on anything. Check the description for very good materials and keep watching our videos and practice.